What's going on YouTube? This is Jabber Tech, and if you're like me, you like to keep your Gear S3 watch looking fresh, and I've reviewed some silicone sport bands from Kades before, and I decided to pick up these leather ones just to give my watch a little classier look. I'll leave the link down below where you can purchase these at the best price. So let's go ahead and take a look at these genuine leather watch bands from Kades, and they're for your Gear S3 or any watch that's 22mm. So let's get right into this and keep our watch looking fresh with a new watch band. So the packaging definitely looks like the silicone bands, but it's a nice package, very simple, to the point. So let's open it up and see what we get inside. You have a nice thank you card from Kades. And then this is the 2-pack. You do have a nice coffee brown with some really nice stitching, as well as a lighter brown that has sort of like a distressed look. This is the dark brown, the coffee brown edition I like to call it, and you do have some nice stitching, which is a little lighter than the band, so it gives it a classier look in my opinion. And then taking a look at the lighter brown, it does have that distressed look as I mentioned. But let me install these on the actual watch and then we'll take a look at them in more depth together. This is the darker brown on the Frontier, and I think it looks really nice, very classy in my opinion. Let me do a quick smell test. So there's no doubt that this is genuine leather. It smells like real leather. I really love that smell, and I'm sure you guys do too if you're looking at leather bands. And again, just take a look at that stitching on the back. Really nicely done. This watch band definitely seems more premium than its cost would suggest. At $20 for a 2-pack, I think it's an absolute steal. So one thing to note, I did get the medium size band. They do have a larger size band if you need, but the medium for average size wrists, you have enough play there that if you needed to loosen it up, you could. And let's just put this in. So this is what it looks like on the Frontier. I think it looks really stylish in my opinion. Definitely makes your watch look a little bit more classy. And the stainless steel clasp is also a really nice touch as well. Very nice quality, very soft, very smooth on the wrist, no irritations at all. So this is a look at the lighter brown on the Gear Frontier, and I think that combination of the black watch with the lighter brown looks really nice, really stunning in my opinion. And again, it's a nice soft quality band, very high quality materials with the stainless steel clasp. Really nicely done in my opinion. And this is a look at the stitching. And again, it does have that distressed look, which I think looks really cool on a leather band. So anyway, guys, let me know what you think about these genuine leather bands. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can purchase them. But at $20 for 2, I think it's an absolute bargain. Definitely well worth it. You'd think one would cost 20 bucks. The quick release pins make it super simple to switch out the bands. Check out the Kades silicone bands that I've reviewed before. Also really high quality at a great price. But let me know what you guys think, and I really appreciate you watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.